Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find tuning share-code in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. Now once you're on your garage, you should be able to see the cars tab, and in the cars tab you need to select upgrades and tuning option. Now here you can select find tuning setups, and you should be able to see tuning setups whichever you like and wanna share that. Simply you have to select this option view share code. So on controller we need to press right stick, and on keyboard we need to press P, and that way we'll able to reveal the share code for this particular tuning setup. It is that easy, and the process is quite easy. Even if you want to share your own tuning setup, just go to my tuning setups. You should be able to see your tuning setup. Just simply press right stick in on controller and P key on your keyboard, and that's how you'll able to see your own tuning setup share code. It is that easy. So yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to find share code of tuning setup in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.